Sherlock, look. Look. Come here. Look. Look. Find him. Okay. Here we go. He's not as fast as she is, so we'll have a little more time. You know, everybody talks about him peeing, but I've always liked it because it gives me a chance to catch.
What? Mom's the word.
Oh, shut up, she says. Yeah. Hey. Head up. Feet stop. Oh, pause. 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 We lost Lily. Come on. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Good. He's good. He's good. He's a good boy. He's Mama's good boy. He's Mama's good boy. Huh? I know. If I had flat property anywhere on that 200 acres, I'd probably get me too. But we unfortunately don't have any flat property.
Right, so yeah, I mean, and I've had flat property my whole life until here, and I have the hills on my property too.
All right, work. Okay. All right, remember these ladies are sneakier than they look, Sherlock. Oh. That's good. Okay. Okay. Oh, tree. Okay. Easy now. Oh, I got reception. I just got a notification. Okay. Which one?
This is really interesting what he's doing.
Is he off?
A little bit, but he's parallel to it, so
Downhill.
I'm wondering what's going on with his thought process. So let me tell you.
He's probably downhill of it, if I had to guess. Okay, and he's the blue.
And she's the purple.
Yeah. Work.
Interesting.
I did one that was 2 weeks old one time,
Yeah.
and it was on a hill like this.
Oh, okay. We did the same.
Well, no, he was like, even where the boy would go like this,
Yeah.
he was downhill of it, and he would still,
Okay, yeah.
and it was really weird.
Now it looks like you're getting further away from
Well, he's acting like he's not on it.
it. Yeah, okay. You want me to shut up? I'll shut up.
No, it's okay. That's okay.
Well, I don't want to influence what, you know.
No,
People do to me sometimes.
so like if he started acting like that, well, now he's pulling me. What I would do is I'd come back to where we come out of the cabin and start him again, you know. He has a couple times. I have no idea. But he's pulling me. He normally doesn't.
Oh, unless he's got something.
Yeah, no, I mean, he normally, HRD doesn't bother him.
Well, I didn't mean that. I mean, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, he's going towards the water. Because I could see the water. Which way? Which way? He's air scenting. Which way? Did you just pull me that hard just to pee on that little cedar tree? He keeps going up and,
The breeze is coming up over here. So.
and going that way. So, I'm gonna see over here if he finds a cut through, because he keeps looking this way like we passed it. Were you on the right track to start with? You just wanted to go look in the cabins? Because we're going right back to where he was coming down at to start with.
That's why I'm wondering if Sandy's over here.
Which one? Maybe. That may be why he wanted to look over there. Because this is where he first started going down, right? Oh, you bad Bubby. Oh, you bad Bubby. Okay. Okay. Now. Hold on, let's wait for Lily. Come on. Come here. Oh. Oh. Hey, come here. Come here. Okay. Where's she at? Where's she at? You got a scent pool? You got a scent pool? Whoa, 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 whoa. Almost got to get over the fence. Where's she at? Where? Oh, good boy. Sit down. Silly thing. Did he get you?
No, trying to get up.
GoPro, stop recording.